Listen, your next video will mark that changing point in your channel if you can accept just this one thing. Now, stay with me. I was getting thousands of views a day from one recent video, but before that, I had already uploaded 4 videos and barely got 500 views. Not to brag, but my videos aren't bad, as you know. The algorithm just hated Dave. Nope, I was wrong and did not even notice that I was wrong until I uploaded this video. So here's what I realized, and the crazy part is, it's not even a secret. We're just overthinking it, leaving thousands of views on the table. Getting the algorithm to push that one video and blow up your channel is actually simple. Here's how it works. If people are able to find your video, click on it and watch, then it gets promoted more. The algorithm literally reflects what the people want.
Hey bro, you stole this line.
Yeah, I already told you it's not a secret, Eugene. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Most of you watching this video are already good at scripting, editing, thumbnail, and your videos are fairly good, but still not getting views. The issue is you are not creating what people actually want. You might be thinking, but all my videos are actually helpful and engaging. Nope, that's what I thought too. I pick a topic that I think is helpful and engaging, pour all my soul into making of the video, sit back and admire my almost god-level creative video thinking that I will get thousands, if not millions of views, upload it, and boom, 24 views. Not 1,000, not 100, just 24. Okay, I will show you how to find topics for your videos that people actually want to watch. Messing up this stage will ruin the entire video, which makes this stage the most important. Now watch this. On the YouTube search bar, search for other creators in your niche. Personally, I prefer using the next level niche finder because it makes it a lot easier and efficient. Here's what to do. Go to View Your Channel, click on the next level similar channels tool, run an in-depth search, and in a moment you'll see this pop-up page. Here it says 70 similar channels. To get specific niche similar to yours, click on the similarity score. Now go through the channels that have high percentage of similarity score, open the channels one after the other, and take a good look at the video topics. Write down the topics of the videos with most views as you go through different channels, and you will see a group of topics with similar pattern. So the point I'm trying to make is, as a creator, you have to understand that there's what viewers say they want, there's what viewers think they want, and then there's what they actually respond to. Sometimes you open YouTube having in mind what you want to watch, and then you see this completely different video that kind of tickles your mind, and well, you impulsively click on it. Let's be real here, we all fall victim to that. So don't create videos just because you think people would like it.